Now, coach of the men's 4x100 meter relay team, Michael Frater, who was a member of Jamaica's sprint relay world record team, is expressing concern over the team's preparations, specifically due to the ongoing absence of national 200 meter champion Brian Lavelle. Denise Walters has that story.
A name synonymous with Jamaica's sprint relay teams, Olympic and World Championships gold medalist Michael Frater knows all too well the importance of chemistry within the relay team, having been a member of 3 teams during a dominant 8-year span between 2008 and 2016. Now, he's tasked with helping the sprint relay teams return to the pinnacle. But there's at least one cog in the wheel. The third fastest Jamaican man this season, Brian Lavelle, with a personal best 9.82 seconds, done in Austria on July 23, has not run with any of the men's 4x100 meters relay teams this season. Lavelle, who is a bronze medalist with the mixed 4x100 meters relay team from earlier this year at the World Relays, did not report for Jamaica's pre-World Championships training camp in Tottori, Japan. The men's 200 meters national champion, who has been focusing on his pet event, has not been able to attend training sessions with the relay squad, leaving Frater to consider alternative strategies.
We're trying to figure out if Lavelle is going to be available, because he has the 200. The 200 finals is the day before the heats of the 4x1, so it's difficult to get a practice session in after just, I'm hoping, running the finals of the 200. I expect him to get a medal. So it's a difficult situation.
In light of Lavelle's unavailability, Frater is calling for a change in the composition and approach of the team.
Going forward, we just need a group of, say, 8 to 10 athletes. Throughout the year, we have 3 or 4 relay camps, get everybody together. So at any given time, we have 4 guys who are versatile with the baton, who will go there, because foot speed is great, but it doesn't win races. I think going forward, that's what we need. So we're not going to be scrapping at the last minute who is not available. If we were able to get the camps done before, then we wouldn't be in a situation like this now.
He says the absence of relay practice may affect team chemistry.
Everything comes back to practice, exchanges. I know that we have fast guys, but fast guys not necessarily are going to win races. We see the likes of Japan, even Canada, who won the Olympics. I think for the most part we've always had 4 guys who are fast on foot speed and better than them, but they've always been able to come out ahead of us in the last few years.
In the meantime, Frater is focused on getting the best possible performance from the squad.
I think it's a good thing that we've actually gotten some practice in. Even the meet in London, as I heard Coach Mills mention it on TV a few nights ago, that was a good camp where we actually had the guys, most of the guys, we wanted to have more of them, but not all of them were available. So as I said, we have been getting in some solid sessions. We wanted more people to be available, but I think we have a solid group of guys who, once we will practice and we get the exchanges done, I think we have as good a chance as anybody.
The heat of the men's 4x100 meters will run on the penultimate day before closing out the championships. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.